Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
Have you ever thought about cooking an orange? It might sound a little unusual, but cooking this vibrant fruit truly transforms its flavor profile. The heat softens their natural tartness and intensifies their sweetness, bringing out deep, nuanced notes you don't typically experience with raw oranges. It's a fantastic way to discover new culinary possibilities and add a unique twist to your dishes, turning a simple fruit into a delightful, versatile ingredient. Before you dive into cooking, a little preparation goes a long way. First, give your oranges a good wash, especially if you plan to use the peel. If you're going for candied oranges or a marmalade, remember to zest them first. That fragrant zest is pure gold. For most applications, segmenting the oranges by removing the white pith and membranes will give you beautiful, juicy segments ready for your recipe, ensuring a clean, enjoyable texture. One of the most popular ways to cook oranges is by candying them. You simply slice the oranges thinly, then simmer them gently in a mixture of sugar and water. As they cook, the syrup infuses into the fruit, turning them translucent and incredibly tender. Once cooled, these candied slices are sweet, slightly chewy, and absolutely delicious on their own, or as a beautiful, edible decoration for cakes and pastries. They truly elevate any dessert. Another wonderful technique is roasting oranges. Halve them or slice them into rounds, then roast them in the oven until they are tender and slightly caramelized around the edges. This method concentrates their natural sugars, giving them a deeper, richer flavor. You can drizzle them with a touch of olive oil and salt for a savory twist, or honey for a sweet treat. Roasted oranges are surprisingly versatile and add a bright, unexpected element to many dishes. So, how can you enjoy these wonderfully cooked oranges? The possibilities are truly endless. Candied oranges are perfect for sweet treats, garnishes, or even a simple snack. Roasted oranges, with their concentrated flavor, can elevate a fresh green salad, complement roasted chicken or duck, or even be served warm with a scoop of ice cream. Get creative in your kitchen. You'll be amazed at the delicious new ways you can enjoy this familiar, vibrant fruit.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.